New Orleans, Louisiana, home to bounce music.
You already know.
The originator of Popeyes.
You know what I love about Louisiana?
Probably my cooking.
I love the flavors that come out of here.
Its unique dialect.
What's up, Woody? That means your partner, you know, somebody from uptown.
Annual celebrations and festivals like Esses Fest, and most notably Mardi Gras. Louisiana is full of culture and draws more than 19 million visitors annually. Now when you go to New Orleans, you gotta visit Bourbon Street. It is the most well-known street in New Orleans, the heart of the French Quarter. Bourbon Street is where the party never ends. Head there any time of day to find live music and other street performers and to really enjoy the New Orleans culture. Making our way to New Orleans, Louisiana. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are at Tulane University. Now, it was founded in the 1800s. It is home to a private research institution. Hope I said that right. But anyways, y'all, we're gonna go around this campus today, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. So I'm not gonna do a long intro today, but before we get started, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button. I'm not playing, I'm serious, y'all. It really helps the channel. Comment, even if it's hi, I like this video. Subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest content, and share if you really love this video and you see somebody who could use it. But anyways, y'all, we're gonna go around this campus, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. So we're not gonna waste any more time. So let's go ahead, let's get rolling. All right, so since we're here, our first stop is gonna be the Lavin-Bernick Center for Student Residence Life. I hope I said that right. But it's also called the LBC. So in here, you're gonna find the SGA, Student Government Association office, a variety of dining options. They also have the campus newsletter stationed there. They have different workspaces. You know, you can dine with your friends. You have study rooms, different workspaces, all that good stuff. So instead of talking, I'm gonna head right in and I'm gonna show y'all what's going on in there. So I really like that outside of this LBC, they have this really nice patio. It's covered and this is really nice out here. I can imagine students come out here all the time. You get your lunch, you're out here chit-chatting with your friends in between classes, after class, all that good stuff. Really nice out here. Absolutely love it. And our next stop is going to be the Riley Student Recreation Center, which honestly, y'all, is the gym, wellness, recreation, health, fitness, all of that is right here. Recently built a few years ago, we are outside of the A.B. Freeman School of Business. This is a business complex, and the name of this building is the Goldring Woldenberg, I hope I said that right, business complex. And it features 3 stories. It has classrooms, interview rooms, study rooms, all that good stuff, and it is right across from the LBC. Making our way to the Malkin Commons. Now this is the dining hall, which has 3 different floors. Not the dining hall has 3 different floors, but when we get inside of here, you're gonna see on the first floor, that's what you have. The second floor, that's what you have. Third floor, that's what you got. Well, y'all, that ends our journey here at Tulane University. Thank you all so much for checking out my video, and I hope I was able to help y'all see if this may be a fit just for you, or maybe put Tulane University in the back of your mind. Maybe you want to come visit it yourself. But y'all, if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment. Where do you want to see me go next? But y'all, thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and until the next video, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.